Hello guys, how is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. Take good care of yourself. Prioritize your health. Watch out your diet and have exercise. Me, I want to exercise, but I'm tired today. I'm busy today, and yesterday I won't be able to rest also yesterday because I have so many place win yesterday. My adventure yesterday in the morning, I have orientation for my coming training, and afternoon I went to Rim Island for our fellowship meeting with my CG group. After fellowship meeting, I went straight to the church for the church service, and I went home late, almost 9:30 or 10 o'clock in the evening. And today I'm busy, that's why I'm tired. I won't be able to rest for how many weeks. Every Saturday I'm busy. I'm busy in church. And I'm gonna be more busy this coming week or this coming month because I signed up for 300 hours training instead of doing nothing inside the house every day of I sign up for training so that I'm gonna learn something new, additional skills and additional opportunities. I hope what I can learn in my training I can apply it into my life. I hope it can help me improve my life, help me to additional skills, and help me to level up my career and level up my skills. I am praying that I can work in the hospital. I hope and pray that God will allow me to work in the hospital. That's all guys. Good night. Have a good night sleep everyone. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I forgot. I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family because family is the most important thing in our life. While our family is still around, they're still alive, we need to spend time with them because of if they are gone, we don't have time to spend time with them. Bye guys, good night, sweet dreams, bye.